From the UK. So, question: if I was to die tomorrow, what would I do? I think I would, since I know I'm going to be dying tomorrow, I would just spend as much time as possible with, my family, my friends, my girlfriend, because those are the most important things in life. Just forget about everything else, because, it's just one day to spend. That's all.
Jeg hedder Trine, jeg kommer fra Danmark. Hvis jeg skulle dø i morgen, så ville jeg ringe til min familie og flyve dem til KL, og så ville jeg samle dem med alle elever af Ideas Academy, og så ville vi lave en rigtig, rigtig stor frokost, hvor at alle lavede mad fra deres land, og så ville vi spise frokost sammen, og vi ville få rigtig ondt i maven, og så ville det være en rigtig god dag, og vi ville synge en masse sange, og så ville jeg sammen med Christoffer kigge på månen en sidste gang, og så vil jeg være glad.
اسمي أحمد. أنا من العراق. سألوني عن إذا يوم غد راح أتوفى فش راح أسوي. something يخوف يعني. بس تقدرون تقولون إذا متت باكر فأول شي راح أفكر بيه إنه أسلم على أصدقائي المقربين. ثاني شغلة إنه أقتل نفسي قبل باكر.
Hi, my name is Shifa. I'm from Malaysia. Okay, the question is, if you knew that you would die tomorrow, what would you do? Okay, for me, I think right now I will went back to my hometown, which is in Perak, and I will be 24/7 with my family.
Neil Kearney. I'm a teacher here at Ideas Academy. I'm from Canada. If I knew that tomorrow I would die, then today I would be as happy as possible, because that's really what I want.
My name is Sharon. I'm from Malaysia, and if I die tomorrow, I probably meet my family back in Sabah and tell them I love them.
Pakistanian और जैसे सभा मट्टी का नजर आपको लगवा स्टैम्प भी सकते हैं.
itu kasi nakakita sila i-check nila harabian kaibisan dito sa mate at hobi kami rol nanti ko ba rol
My name is Claire Crivero. I'm one of the teachers at Help Academy, and if I was going to die tomorrow, I would call my mom and I would call my sister, have a long talk with my mom and my sister and my whole family, and then I would make cookies, because we have a special family recipe for chocolate chip cookies, and I would make myself a whole batch of chocolate chip cookies and I would eat all of them by myself.
Hi, this is Ali. I'm from Palestine. If I knew that I would die tomorrow, I would spend the day with the family and praying for God for forgiveness.
Hi, my name is Arushi Grover. I'm from India, from Mumbai. And if I were to die tomorrow, I would go buy all the cakes in Kuala Lumpur and eat them, because it doesn't matter if I look like a fat pig anymore.
My name is Mathilde Esselink, and I'm from the Netherlands. And you just asked me, if I die tomorrow, what would I do today? Well, I don't want to die tomorrow, but if I were to die tomorrow, then I would, I think, immediately organize a big party for friends and family to celebrate life and to say goodbye to them.